How to create a CamScanner account. So if you want to create a CamScanner account, then first of all you have to install the application. So to install the application, you have to open up your Play Store, and then on the search bar you have to search for CamScanner, and here you will have the application. You can simply tap on install, and after installing you can open up the application. Now allow. Now tap on next, which is on the bottom of your screen. Now to create an account, you can go to the profile, which is on the bottom right corner, which says me, and then here on the first you will have sign in or register option. You can simply tap on that, and now you can sign in with your Google, which is on the bottom of your screen, or you can also use your email address or your mobile number. So I'll be choosing email, and after entering your email you have to tap here so that you agree to the terms and conditions, and after that tap on next. And now you have to create a password. The password must contain at least 6 characters, and after creating the password tap on send activation email, and then you have to open up your mail and you have to enter that code here. You will receive a code, and after opening your Gmail you will have a mail which is sent by CamScanner, and now you can simply tap on verify email address, and that's it. Now you can go back to your CamScanner and you can see that you have already created your account. So that's it. That's how you create your account on CamScanner, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.